Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Great job! That's right! I can't believe it. You're incorrect. Great job! That's right! You did great! Come here and get your prize! A shiny quarter! Just problem 1. Great job! You're doing fantastic!